Two men accused of carrying out last year's fatal shooting at the Anchor Bar are one step closer to going to trial. Jorge Suarez and Gregory Ramos were arraigned once again this morning after charges against one of them were dismissed late last year. Recently, a grand jury issued a new indictment. News 4's Katie Alexander was in court this morning and has the latest developments.
Jorge Suarez and Gregory Ramos have both been charged with second-degree murder and second-degree criminal possession of a weapon once again. And once again, they have pleaded not guilty to the indictment. Both men are accused of acting together on the night of May 20th to carry out a shooting inside the Anchor Bar restaurant that left this man, Freddie Dizon, dead. Suarez is accused of firing the gun. Ramos is accused of driving the getaway car. And under New York state law, the driver could be just as guilty of murder as the person who pulled the trigger if the driver knew what the other was planning to do. Now, back in December, the judge ruled that the evidence that had been presented to the grand jury that would have shown Ramos knew what was happening was not enough to support the murder charge. So the district attorney's office went back to the same grand jury and re-presented the cases against both suspects, adding new evidence against Ramos to get a superseding indictment, which replaces the first one. The prosecution wants to keep both suspects on the same indictment to be tried as co-defendants, so witnesses won't have to be called to give the same testimony over and over again.
We're acting together. Their actions were for a joint purpose, and they each, the allegations are, they each had individual roles in this unfortunate situation.
This is just an indictment. It's only an accusation. There's been no proof that my client has done anything illegal or that he committed this crime.
I previously moved and will renew my motion to sever this case, meaning, in my opinion, they are very different cases and two different people, and they should be tried separately.
The defense attorneys in this case say they're basically back at square one in the process now. They're all due in court again on March 23rd for motions. After that, another date for hearings. And after that, they may go to trial. The prosecution says they're ready. Reporting in Buffalo, Katie Alexander, News 4.